Right, Kapari brother, if cold, cough, and fever strike, we often rely on traditional remedies or heavy doses of medicines and antibiotics, assuming they don't cause harm. But many of these chemical medicines carry significant side effects. To protect yourself naturally, you can easily use simple home remedies, and for instance, incorporating the right seeds along with ginger, either by brewing them into a soothing herbal tea, steaming, or consuming them with food, acts as an effective way to stay safe from cold, cough, and fever without depending heavily on artificial medicines. Share this valuable health tip with your friends, loved ones, and relatives so everyone can avoid the harmful side effects of chemical drugs. Yo kan de chan gu leptadil.